Everybody, and welcome to Owen Guns. This is the Genesis 1 rifle. This is Ron Owen. Ron is the one that designed it, and he has it built here in Gympie. Good afternoon, Ron.
Hi, Jason.
Okay, Ron, I've just sold this to a customer. How on earth do they get it ready to shoot? How do they clean it?
Well, first of all, that they would point it in a safe direction, of course. They would check that the rifle is clear, it's empty, and it would be good if you could show the reason how to do that.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's currently pointing in a safe direction.
Yeah.
Magazine is empty.
Clear.
I can see from here, you guys can't, I can see from here that the chamber is empty, and I can see that the magazine well is empty. I am satisfied that rifle is cold or clear.
Right. And if it's dark and you couldn't see, you'd probably put your little finger in the hole to make sure that the chamber was empty.
Or carry a torch.
Or carry a torch. Okay. And
so that is how you digitally check these days. In the modern age, digital is everything.
That's right. And so the next thing that you will do is to depress the disassembly ball.
Hi, I'm from the government, you know good. That's not
at the back of the skull face.
Alright. But currently the action's locked open, so do I have to put them?
Yes, that's right. You'd have to close the action.
So I just pull the bolt handle out and let the bolt go. So now the bolt is closed.
And it's ready to fire.
Yes.
You know that the magazine's removed and the rifle's safe, so you depress the trigger. Okay.
That's quite loud, actually.
Yeah.
Some firearms are rather quiet. That's quite noticeable.
Yeah, it's a lot louder than ammunition.
So now you said to depress that button.
Depress the disassembly bolt and turn the stock anti-clockwise.
This is where a muzzle brake would be nice. Protect my muzzle.
Yeah.
Now, is this going to spring up?
There's a little bit of compression there, but not very much.
Okay, yeah. That was easy enough. Magazine does come separate from that, so the spring comes separate.
You can keep it together in one spot.
So what do I do now?
If you withdraw the bolt carrier and remove the bolt carrier from the back.
Okay, that took just a little bit of effort, but not hard.
And so then all you need to do then is to put your brush.
Clean the chamber and barrel the way you would any other conventional firearm.
Push it out, the rubbish through the muzzle. Maybe clean the bottom rubs with a toothbrush through the extraction port, and wipe a bit of oil over the bolt carrier. Now,
is that oil for lubricity or for rust prevention or both?
For both.
Okay.
Yeah, it's always best to have your surfaces with a light coating of oil. And then when you've dried and patched out your barrel and you want to shoot the rifle, then you assemble the rifle.
Okay. So clean it in the standard procedure you would any other standard bolt action rifle. So now assembly, I take it, is just the reverse?
That's right, that's correct.
That's not going on. Have I done something wrong?
Press the trigger. Right, just bring the trigger down, go all the way in, and then put your return spring, wind the butt back on.
Let's see if I can do this in this orientation.
Well, that's a hard way to do it. That's much easier. Wow.
Yeah, but this is why you pay me the big bucks.
Yes, I know. Too much. Well, anyway, you press the assembly button again and wind it till it stops, and you just come back a little bit if it's gone tight.
Thank you.
And it'll go click.
Because the disassembly button is stuck in.
Just go click. There you go. the rifle. Just ready to fire again. Put it on, bolt hold up. And when you want to fire the rifle, just release the bolt hold up and catch, and it will pick up and put the chamber around. And that seems to be the best way, rather than actually following it up with your hand and slowing it down.
Oh, yes.
And you replace the magazine. Shoot the rifle, and then clean it before you eat.
Thank you. Thank you, Ron. Thank you.
Missed it. That's not.
Recording.
Bye.